Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to post photos and videos on Threads. So first, we need to make sure your Thread apps has access to your phone gallery. To do that, go to your settings and click on apps and notification. So in here, just go ahead and select the Thread application. Scroll down until you find the Thread apps. And then click on permission. So as you can see here, I allowed my camera and storage to my Thread application. So you just have to do this on your settings. Just allow your camera so that you can access all the photos from your gallery. Okay, so once we're done, we should go back to our Thread application. So in here, tap those pen and paper at the bottom center. You can see right under Start a Thread, a photo picture or logo in here. Just go ahead and click that one and you will be directed to your gallery. So just go ahead and select a photo you'd like to post. And then you can add a your thoughts or any comment regarding to your post, and you can post up to 10 photos or videos here. So once you're done and satisfied, just hit the post button and you're good to go. And that's it guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.